Hi friends, welcome to my channel Karthik at the Reticle 7. So friends, today you can see here, I can see you. This is an expert tutor. You to become an online tutor, or you in good in speaking in English, so you become have a chance to online tutor. So friends, first need to find a native speaker, or you have a good in English, and also you have a certificate in English tutor, and then you can upload your profile, or you can sign in this site and upload your profile, and they can this site can verify your profile, and they can take the online lesson or demo classes, take online lesson, and they can pay to the affordable price, or you can choose an experienced tutor, and this site choose an experienced tutor and fit and their budget. So friends, today I'm giving you a site that you can make more money by online tutoring, or tuition. So if you have a good in English, there is a chance to earn more money from this site. The site is known as the freefly.com. This is an absolutely online site. If you to good in speaking English, so there is a chance to become a tutor, online tutor. So first you can see here there is a English online tutor. There is vacant teacher are available, 23,104 14 teacher are available. There is also Spanish tutor and German tutor, but we don't need this type of the tutor. We need the English tutor, because we are Indian, we know only English. So French, you can come at the bottom of this site. So friends, you can see here, there is a you become an online tutor or online tutoring job. We click here online tutoring job. If you click here, you can see the price of online tutoring job. If you're doing an tutor, or teaching in English subject in online in this Preply site, you can see here, I would like to improve my knowledge in English online and get constructive evaluation from an experienced teachers. If you take this person, and you can teach this person, they need knowledge in English. If you have in good knowledge in English and also in experience, you can earn 822 1565 per hour. So friends, that is an amazing. You if you teach, I can see you, and if you teach 3 hours, and you can make 150 65, you just make 4,695,000 per day, just teaching 3 hours. So friends, you have a good knowledge in English, also in an experience, you can join and apply this category subject. If you become slightly less, you can see here, I would like to improve my speaking competence in English with a professional online mentor. If you have a professional English knowledge, and there is a all description given in this. Hi, I am Sufan. I have learned English mostly by myself, but this is the student details are given, and if you want to teach this Susan, and you make money 671 to 1416 or hours. This is an absolutely perfect. So there is so many job are available. You can see here the night to find an online expert to learn Swedish. So we don't is this type of job. We can uh, need need to learn English. So I am looking for an English tutor of my daughter. You can see here also time is given 7:30 a.m. in Beijing time, and if you good in English, you can take this job. You can pay, they can pay 75 to 240 24 rupees per hours. So friends, you can also haven't seen, I am a dietitian. I would like to teach biology, English, Urdu, science. And so, but if you want to join to this people, and you can click here join to now to apply. You can make, if you teach 3 hours, you can make 7,450 into 3 hours, you can make 20,000 2350 just a day by 3 hours by to teaching the others. There are the so many job are available. You can see here, choose your niche and take your job first. So friends, if you are good in English and if you're searching a job, don't waste your time and you can and go to this preply.com and choose here. So friends, I can see you how you can and join this or apply these teachers. So you can see I am Susan. Susan is an student and he live from Europe, but he want to learn English, but he can need and professional English teachers. If you have in professional English and you can and good experience in English and also of job in some private tutor, and you can earn by online teaching with your extra time. So friends, you just click here join to apply. You can see all the details are available. You first need to sign up this earn money on this schedule. You just post your email ID and password, or you have not email ID, you can search with this Google. So friends, you can now in this apply and you can register here. You can go to this site and you can go to this site and you can see here what is the step are requires for to fulfill their criteria. And you can see here, you can apply and first register through this site and to complete your information or complete your profile. And then they verify their profile. You can see here we carefully check and confirm each tutor profile, and they can take the online lesson at the perfect time, and then you can choose an affordable budget or affordable money per hours. So friends, this is an absolutely opportunity, and you can see here focus on the skill you need. Prepare to achieve your goal with a private tutor. Immerse yourself in new culture. You always looking to new and innovative way and get expert to help when needed and succeed your career and speak natural always, or you have a good in English speak. And if you have become to this join, you can requested post and they can apply. If you have any problem, you can directly contact to this site and they can um, help you. So friends, this is an absolutely opportunities, and go to this site and become tutors. And if you click here, first need to this sign, and you can see here set your own rate. And so friends, if you have good in English and you have an experience, you can set your rate. You can set your 15 to $25 per hours and teach anywhere anytime, or you can teach from your home, from your office, and when you have time you can teach and make 15 to $25 per hours and grow professionally and attend training webinar and get tips to upgrade your skill. And they also provide training to you as a teacher. If you join as a teacher, they can provide a training and also give a new skill to upgrade yourself, and you will all the help are available from this site. So friends, you can see and the all 180 countries is are using this site, and the student, you can see here 8 lakhs plus student globally are join this site. So friends, don't waste your time and come to this site and take your job and make money, 15 to $25 per hours, and also upgrade yourself and to make money from this site. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to earn more money, kindly subscribe my channel, because I provide a daily video that you can um, get an experience of how to income from online. Thank you, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.